Hey everyone, welcome back. So in this video, I'm gonna show you how to know a specific, how to guess a specific letter. I'm not saying this right. So let me show you first. So let's type a random sentence. So random equal to, let's write a random sentence like my name is Tian. So here you can see I have bunch of words. I have my, then I have name, then I have is, then I have Tian. So I want to know that at number X position, what letter is there. So when you are doing Python programming, basically the index starts from 0. So this is 0, this M is 0, Y is 1, then this is 2, then this is 3. So let's show you guys what this actually means. So let's print random, and within random I want to know the letter that is sitting on index suppose 3. So let's click on run, and you can see this is showing me n. The reason behind that is I have already said that m is occupying the space 0, then y is 1, my bad, y is 1, then this space is uh, 2, then this n is 3. But if I give another space and if I run this now, you can see I am getting a blank space because the position that index 3 is occupied by is actually a blank space. So if I want to get n, I have to type here 4 now because n is at index 4. So we got n, and if I want to have another one, like suppose 10, and if I click on run the test, you can see I got S. So S is like at index 10 of this random string. So that's how you can actually check some letter if you ever want to. There will be tasks in your project or in your application or website when you will actually find this useful, and you will actually know, yeah, Tian taught me that, and I'm finding this useful and actually using this right now. So I hope that day comes. So I'll be seeing you guys in my next video. Till then, take care.